Several student bodies in Manipur are allegedly trying to enroll students for newly introduced master course at Manipur University of Culture (MUC) in contravention of the let-down norms. They are also attempting to defame the varsity on social media platform. MUC Students Union President Khundrakpam Ibomcha Mangang told reporters at the Manipur Press Club in Imphal today. Regional Research Institute of Homeopathy Imphal today carried out Jan Andolan campaign in various parts of Imphal city. A team of New Chakon Youth Club and Mahabali Kabu Youth Club, led by RRI Imphal officer in charge Dr. Amit Srivastava, distributed face masks, pamphlets and arsenic album to public by spreading COVID-19 awareness at the event. In India, Haryana's Home Minister Anil Vij will be administered a shot of Bharat Biotech International Limited's vaccine candidate as its Phase 3 trial begins in the state. A media report said Anil Vij, who also holds the health portfolio, had offered to be the first volunteer. A global search continues for a vaccine against the coronavirus disease even as a rise in the number of infections and related deaths are being reported. According to a tally by Worldometers, more than 57 million people have contracted the disease so far and more than 1.3 million have lost their lives due to it. The US, the worst-hit country, has 12 lakh cases and 2.58 lakh have died from the disease there. It is followed by India, Brazil, France and Russia. India has reported 45,201 fresh COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, taking its tally past the 9 million mark. As per a media report, the country's death toll has mounted to 1,32,202. At 17,63,055, Maharashtra has the highest number of coronavirus cases, followed by Karnataka 8,65,931, Andhra Pradesh 8,57,395, Tamil Nadu 7,63,282 and Kerala 5,39,919. Bishnupur Police Commando, Nambol Police, Bishnupur Police, Moyang Police and Kaibulamjau Police today launched a drive in different parts of Bishnupur district to prevent dirtying of roads by muds carried up by tractors from paddy fields being harvesting season. Bishnupur Superintendent of Police Priyadarshini Laishram led the drive. Kanglipa Kanbalup KKL celebrated its second Foundation Day 2020 today at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. A short discussion on change and continuity in Manipur society today marked the occasion. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar, Manipur State Human Rights Commission Chairperson Khaidam Mani, Manipur State Human Rights for Women Chairperson Dr. Maisnam Binota, social scientist Dhanabir Laishram and senior journalist Pradeep Panjobam attended the event. A 40-year-old Assam journalist has embarked on a 1,000-kilometer bicycle ride to spread awareness about the social safety and security of journalists of the state. Journalist Snehakar Chakraborty, who hails from North Assam's Bishwanath district, has started his journey at a time when gamblers at Mirja, on the outskirts of Guwahati, beat up a local reporter and a journalist in Tinsukia district died in a hit-and-run case. 14 people, including 6 children of a wedding party, were killed and few others injured when the vehicle they were travelling in collided with a parked truck in Pratapgarh district of Uttar Pradesh late last night, officials said. According to reports, the accident took place at a spot on the Prayagraj-Lucknow highway under Manikpur police station of the district. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has expressed grief over the road accident and directed senior officials to reach the spot and provide all possible assistance. China has established a village very close to Doklam where the Chinese and Indian militaries had a tense standoff in 2017. Referring to images posted on Twitter by a senior journalist with the Chinese state media, the NDTV reported about the establishment of Chinese village 2 kilometers inside Bhutan territory. Mixed martial arts MMA undefeated pro record fighter Nongmaitham Bonjobi will represent Manipur at the Matrix Fight Night Series 5 to be held in Dubai, United Arab Emirates from December 15. Aztec's founder Dr. T.S. Premananda announced it during a press meet at Aztec Fight Studio, Joy Estate building located at BT Road today.